Hi to all, ZRC Dark here. So in today's video we have wireless air pump. So like you saw in the intro, this is wireless air pump, so it is perfect for car, bicycle, balls and other stuff, motorcycles, and we are gonna use it. I know the perfect job for this, so this will be for the electric scooter. I have flat tires, so we're gonna try to pump with this. So let's open it up and see what we have in. So always use special tools to open it. Let's see what we have in the box. So here we have Type C for charging. Here we have for the pumping, the hose. Here we have all kinds of connectors to use with the balls and everything. You simply slide it in like this and lock it, and now you're ready to pump. Or you can put whatever you want, and that's it. So this is for the balls. Okay, this is for tires on the cars and motorcycles. And let's see what we have here. Here we have user's manual. Always read user's manual to know your... So to power on, press the power button for 3 seconds. Okay, we're gonna do that and we're gonna try. Here we have nice bag for the air pump, and here is our star. So it's nicely packaged. So here we have some 12 volts, 84 watts. Okay, tire inflator. Okay, let's take this out and let's see if this even works. So to turn it on, press the power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Nice. Battery almost full. Oh, is it full? Okay. Here we have icons, so now it's rated for the car. Here we have lights. Nice. Okay, what we have else here? We can choose different settings. So this is PSI for the bikes. Here for motorcycles. And this is for the balls, and this is for the cars. So let's try to kph, kilograms per square centimeters, and bar. We're gonna use bar because in our place we use bar. So to change settings you only press and hold this. So for the bike we have 3.1 bar, for the scooter we have 2.4, for the ball we have 0.55, and for car we have 2.5. Okay, we're gonna put this here. And let's try if this works. So to power on, just press, I know, like, no, this is for the works, you simply press power button for 1 second. So now let's go outside and test this. So the puncture on the electric scooter is bigger than I expected, so let's gonna try on the bike. So we're gonna go to bike settings. Okay, but we're gonna go lower. We're gonna go like maybe 2 bars. Now we have in 0.5. Let's try. Yeah, we don't wanna go higher than this because this is not professional tire and it's bold, but 1.5 works, so very nice. And now let's check the tire pressure in my car to see if we have good pressure. Okay, let's go to car status. So we have 2.1 and 2.2, and we're gonna fix that to 2.4. So let's go. And for that job we need this wireless air pump. So let's go. So here we have it. We're gonna turn it on. Okay, we're gonna change to bars. We're gonna go carb, and we're gonna go to 245. So let's go to the car. So on this side we have 2.2 and we need to go to 2.4. So let's go. That's it. And now let's go to the other side. So on this side we have 2.1, as you can see. So we're gonna go 2.4 and let's go. Okay, now let's go inside the car to see if we have the right pressure. Okay, move to car status. Okay, we need to turn it on, and as you can see we have 2.4. So that means that this is working like it should. So let's go to kick some balls. So let's say you have a ball that needs some air. You simply put this connector in, you turn it on, choose the right settings. So we need to choose for the balls. So we need to choose, let me go here to see you better. Okay, we're gonna go bars and we're gonna go to balls and we're gonna set it. So this is like small ball, we're gonna go to 130, and then you simply push the start button. And that's it. Yeah, it's good. So that's it. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to support me. ZV3 Dark out. Bye.